How's everybody doing? This is Mike Lacasio here from MSL Computer Service. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer. And there's some different steps that you could do to make it run faster. Delete programs you don't use is the first step. Go to the control panel, programs and features, and any programs you don't use, uninstall them. Another one is limit how many programs that you run on startup. Down below by your clock on the right hand side, lower right, there's an up arrow. If there's any click that, and if there's any programs running, right click on them and close them. You shouldn't have those programs running. It'll help speed up the computer some. And also turn off programs on Task Manager. Right click on the bottom on an empty space on the toolbar, and then left click where it says Task Manager. Click Task Manager and then see what's running in there. If you have programs that are running that you don't use or you don't need, right click on those programs and stop them from running, because that's using your Windows resources and you're not using those programs, so why run them? If you use them, that's a different story. But usually people have 3 or 4 different programs in there running, and it's using up your memory. Another tip is clean up your hard drive. You can do disk defrag, you can do disk cleanup, and clean up your hard drive. You just click on C drive, this PC and C drive, and then right click your C drive, go down to properties, click properties, and then you'll see two buttons where you can do options, and one of them is disk cleanup. After you do disk cleanup, under there is going to be disk defrag and optimize drive. Just let that run, and that'll clean up your hard drive also. And also use fewer programs at the same time. Instead of having 3 different windows going where you're using different programs but use more of your memory, just have like one program that you're using, and then when you're done with that program, when you're finished, click off it and then open up another program. Type it in and go to that second program. That'll help speed up the computer while you're online. So no multitasking. And the next tip would be turn off visual effects. Now, visual effects is, the extra added pictures and features that Windows 10 offers. But if you turn off those visual effects, it won't look as nice on screen, but those visual effects use up your memory in the background. So if you go into visual effects, you can uncheck things and just check a few things, keep a few things checked that you like to use. And you can also change the size of your virtual memory. You have to look that up, do a Google search, and if you change the size of your virtual memory, the computer will run faster. You'll get a little bit of speed out of that. And check how much memory you have too. Your RAM is very important, because you have to remember whatever much RAM you have in the computer, that's what the computer is using for you to do all these different tasks. So if you have 4 gigs of RAM, you might want to consider upgrading to 8 gigs. Your computer will run a lot faster, and memory is not that expensive right now. So you can go to a website like crucial.com and give them the information of your system, and you could purchase memory, and I could let you know how to install it, or it's very simple to install. You can watch a quick video of mine that tells you how to install memory. I have a few of them, and that will speed up your computer dramatically. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe. I have about 90 or 100 videos that also tell you all different things about repairing your computer, how to speed up your computer, and a lot of other different tips that you can use to make your computer experience better. Whether you're a home user, whether you use a computer for business, you can speed your computer up and keep it running good and keep it optimized. And that's what I stress that everybody do, and 2019. You can optimize your computer yourself. You can keep it running. You can watch my videos and learn how to do all different things to your computer. And everything is taught in a very simple, easy to do manner. There's not a lot of technical things that I talk about. Everything is pretty basic. So if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. If you have a tip of your own that you want to share with my channel, please do. I love comments, so any comment is definitely welcome. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back and watch some more of my videos. Thanks for watching. This is Michael Cassio, and I will see you in the next video.